gosh, I love you.
I'm thinking about you, muffin. When I wake up, I'm thinking about you, muffin. You know our love was 10 times sweeter than candy, 10 times sweeter than cake. Thinking about you. Ding dong, trick or treat. I was knocking at your door every week, and I saw you in my fortune cookie. What a great gift, like a basket of goodies. But you were cold as an ice sea, and I got a little bit of a brain freeze. I can speak your language. If you just let me in. I don't need a dating app, 'cause I got a candy crush on you. But you broke me like a Kit Kat. Let my heart not fall, running in the trash. Now I'm scrolling and paroling through your Instagram feed. No, I'm not trolling, but you're all I wanna see. Insanity approaching, man, I'm drinking jealousy like a Coca-Cola. Are we? I'm gonna keep the doctor away, 'cause you're my apple every day. Every day I'm thinking about you, muffin. When I wake up, I'm thinking about you, muffin. You know our love was 10 times sweeter than candy, 10 times sweeter than cake. Thinking about you.
Alright. He's an angel, like a food cake. Got a halo and I'm looking like a double take. Stream with me, I'ma be a e-boy. We got my diamonds, hey, I know I'm a bad boy.
I've been looking in a jar full of jelly beans. Fly me to the moon pie up in Tennessee. Maybe I'll find you, yeah, we were meant to be. With the ring pop, I'll get down on one knee. Marry me.
Willy Wonka, Willy Wonka, I'ma be your chocolatier. Oompa Loompa, Doopa Dee Doo, you're the one I need, so have no fear. Gotta call you mine, be my Valentine, the one of my dreams. Let me kiss you like horses. I'm gonna keep the doctor away, 'cause you're my apple every day. And every day I'm thinking, every day I'm thinking, every day I'm thinking about you. Thinking about you, muffin. When I wake up, I'm thinking about you, muffin. You know our love was 10 times sweeter than candy, 10 times sweeter than cake. Thinking about you. You bet I'm thinking about you. Your love was 10 times sweeter than candy, 10 times sweeter than cake. Thinking about you.
Oh my gosh, I love you.
I'm thinking about you, muffin. When I wake up, I'm thinking about you, muffin. You know our love was 10 times sweeter than candy, 10 times sweeter than cake. Thinking about you. Ding dong, trick or treat. I was knocking at your door every week, and I saw you in my fortune cookie. What a great gift, like a basket of goodies. But you were cold as an ice sea, and I got a little bit of a brain freeze. I can speak your language. If you just let me in. I don't need a dating app, 'cause I got a candy crush on you. But you broke me like a Kit Kat. Let my heart not fall, running in the trash. Now I'm scrolling and paroling through your Instagram feed. No, I'm not trolling, but you're all I wanna see. Insanity approaching, man, I'm drinking jealousy like a Coca-Cola.
like a food cake. Got a halo and I'm looking like a double take. Stream with me, I'ma be a e-boy. We go my diamonds, hey, I know I'm a bad boy.
I've been looking in a jar full of jelly beans. Fly me to the moon pie up in Tennessee.
Let's go!
With the ring pop.
Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you guys doing today? All right, let's get the ball rolling. Turn on the captions. Odd. Hold on. There we go. Let me turn on captions. Hey guys, how are you doing today? We're so close, chat. We're so close, chat. We're so close. How many days has it been, chat? How many days has it been? How many days has it been, chat? Potions? Okay. Potions. Whatever. Anyway, chat. There we go. Anyway, chat. Hello! How are you? Sorry, I'm in the Find the Button room, chat. Can you hear me, by the way? Yes, you can. Okay, so we've got, I added these two that Sim built. Sim and Logic. They're all set up, I think. If you didn't see me solve them or didn't do them, just for the record, for those of you wanting to do Find the Button, it's on my survival server. But chat, I'm gonna be honest, guys. Ghosties, I can't take it. I cannot find my stupid controller thing. Okay. Wait. Do you think it's under this? Hold on a second, chat. Hold on, I'm gonna move. No way! It's right here! You've got to be joking me. It's right here. I found it. You're kidding me. Okay, I'm going to explain this to you, chat. I have this MIDI controller right next to me. Okay, listen. It's a MIDI controller. It's designed to connect to a microphone and it controls volume levels. And I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking. I remember now, I had taken it, set it right here, but on top of it, but it's black, chat, it's black. And I put like the cable that I needed, the HDMI cable right on top of it. So when no, you're not gonna believe this. So like, I looked everywhere and like, in the back of my mind, I'm not even kidding. In the back of my mind, I kept thinking to myself, I remember seeing it on top of something. Like, I remember, like, seeing it. And I remember just being, like, thinking that while I was looking everywhere for it. I literally looked everywhere. You have no idea. Looked inside boxes. And I just, in the back of my head, I had this picture of it resting on top of something else black. And I literally was just like, oh, whatever. I couldn't find it. So literally right here as I'm sitting here, I'm like, wait, what if it's under it? Like, as I'm like telling you guys the story, but as I go to move the stuff on top of it to lift it up to look under it, I see that it's laying on top of it. It's right here, chat. It's right here. Do you hear that? I don't know if you can hear it. It's literally, I can't believe this. I've been looking for this for days, and it's right here. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Oh, I might be blind, chat. Maybe I need to get my vision looked at. That is the ultimate find the button, and I failed it, chat. It's the ultimate find the button, and I failed it. I genuinely cannot believe this. I'm literally aghast right now. But good news, Suika tomorrow. Okay. I was literally about to resign myself to buying a new one, chat. I was like, fudge, I gotta go buy a new one. But guess what? I found it! Yay! So I have it. It's right here. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm not moving it. It's staying here. I'll set it up tomorrow because I need to do all the testing. Woohoo! I'm actually happy, chat. I'm very happy. Oh, I feel like such a muffin head, chat. I genuinely can't believe that. I swear to you, chat. I literally swear. This is not like rigged or set up in any way. I'm literally no memes. This is literally 100% legit. Okay, I feel so embarrassed though, because it's right here. It was right here the whole time. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I'm so depressed, chat. No wonder, chat, no wonder in my head, I kept telling myself, I kept having this mental picture, chat, in my head of like where it was at. No wonder I had that mental picture. I was seeing it every day. I was seeing it every day. You've got to be joking. Oh, you gotta be joking. I'm so depressed right now, chat. I'm so depressed. Oh. Oh my gosh. Why? Oh, chat. My brain was trying to help me, but I ignored it. I was ignoring it. Well, I had this other place in my, like, where I live that I was like, maybe it's over there that I was checking. Hey, I found the ultimate button, chat. I found the thing I needed. So we're good. We're good. I just gotta make sure the Switch is charged for tomorrow and do the whole thing. Okay. Oh, God Koala is doing the room. Let's go. All right, chat. We're gonna warm up with a find the button room, then we'll go back to our statue building. And we'll take another look at Twal's statue to see if we can fix it and make it even better. All right. Let's see if our little warm-up will help us be good at find the buttons. Okay, I cannot remember. I've done this room before, chat. Let me show you the room. So we're not gonna... Please no, kick me out of here. I've been here 20 minutes. Okay, there you go. The room is called Christmas Eve. There's 3 buttons, skill level undetermined. I did this room before, chat. But I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember what's in here, but my memories may come back, so for this room. But just for the record, we aren't gonna do a bet on this one. So here we go. Let's see. I will keep track of the time though. So let's turn on the timer thing. And 3, 2, 1, go. I feel very mentally refreshed now. You have no idea how happy I am, chat, that I found that. I'm just gonna hold down my right click mouse button. You have no idea how happy I am, chat. Like, finding that has made me so flipping happy. You have no idea. Oh, no flying. Ah, chat. I'm so happy. Oh, chat. This is crazy. I literally thought I was never going to find it. I was prepared to go to the store and buy one, chat. I was literally prepared. Yeah, there's probably one down here. Okay. Oh my gosh. I flipping hate this. There's probably one in the painting. Okay. Right. Odd. This is so weird. There's no buttons anywhere. Okay. Alright, I think that looks a little bit different. I'm glad you found it before you got another one. Me too. I am so happy, chat. I'm so happy because one, it's like, it's not cheap. It's one of those, the things that, I don't know what you call them, but it's a thing that you plug like a switch in and it lets you use it as a video source. So it was not super cheap to get. I only got it for this one thing. So it would have been really depressing having to buy another one. Okay, I'm gonna check all of these. Oh. Okay. It would have been really depressing, chat, having to buy another one. I would have been, very discouraged by it. But now I am not discouraged because I found it. Though I am still discouraged. The fact that I didn't find it in... Oh? Oh, look at that. Okay, so how? Yes! Okay, that's one. Okay, one under the tree. Let's check on top of the tree. I feel like there's one behind the painting. But the problem with painting stuff is you have to, so that's one. We're at 3 minutes, 41 seconds. The problem with searching behind paintings, chat, is you have to line up the thing, like, literally perfectly. Literally perfectly. So here we go. Let's do it. Oh, I need a message to mods. Thank you. But how are you guys doing today? Are you guys missing, the eggs as much as I am? I'm gonna be honest, chat. Every day that goes by, I just feel the soul-crushing anguish. You know what I mean? The soul-crushing anguish. Okay, I don't think there's anything back there. So how can I get down there? Hold on. Okay, yeah, it's definitely there. So I have to get... Okay. Okay. What? I thought that would work. Dang it. Oh, wait. Hold on. Just happened. Oh, no flipping way. That's crazy. Oh, yes, I remember this now. Okay. Yeah, this is crazy. That's two. Let's flipping go. Okay. Okay, the memories are coming back to me, chat. They're coming back. By the way, I don't recommend watching exactly what I'm doing. If you want to do it, if you haven't done this button room yourself and you want, like, to take a fresh look at it. Hey, there's definitely, like, gotta be something behind the painting. Okay, now this, I think there's one more button that Logic, if I remember correctly, I think there was a button hidden there. But I think there is another button that Logic added because there's something about this room we couldn't do. So I think the question is finding the other button is going to be a trick. Nothing here. Whee! Like it was in here. Ah, fudge. So where is that third button? That's what we're looking for. Third button. Okay, no more buttons for me. Be back later. See ya. Button. So if I was Logic, where would I hide the button? feel like up here would be a good spot. There's a button on the tree. Wait a minute. Okay. So this is odd. Huh. Did you see this? Does this look weird to you, chat? Oh, I swear if it's just a painting button. I hate painting buttons. I hate them. I'm gonna make it a new rule. No painting buttons allowed. They're my least favorite button. I don't think they add anything. Dad, do you still plan on making a room yourself to torture Logic? Yes. Who's flipping this? Stop it. I do not see another button. Oh, look, it's the person with the dapper head. You'll hate the room I'm building? No, you'll hate the room I'm gonna build. Okay. Well, I hear a button? No, that was a pressure plate. I'm being serious, chat. I do not want there to be one. It just occurred to me there could be one behind here. Oh, thank gosh. Okay. I was gonna... Dang it! I hate painting buttons! Nah! Alright, 8 minutes, 39 seconds. That's pretty good. I flipping hate painting buttons. Okay, if you guys want to try any of the button rooms, there's 2 new ones right here if you haven't seen them. Go give them a try. In total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mini ones, 7, 8, 9, and you can always try the beginner area, which is this. So 10. 10 find the button experiences. Oh, I thought this was a button room for a second. That would have been cool. And looks like Logic is working on 11th that we have not tried. For this next one, chat, I'm going to try and give you guys an opportunity to try that one before I do it. Yeah, alerts are working. Let me double check. Thank you for the 2 subs, Sir Chico. Do you miss Aquino? Yes, Aquino, I do.
Quack.
It's okay, bad. 3 more days. Hello, Babu. Hello, Ghosties. Hi.
Quack.
Oh, we got a hype train going, chat. Hype train. Let's go. Server event. Oh yeah, if you guys want... What the fudge? Okay. If you guys want to try these out, by the way, those find the button rooms. It's munchiemc.com. Survival. You'll be at spawn. If it's your first time being here, you'll go over to the left, warp totem area, right click it, find the button room at the top left, right there. And there you go. That's it. It'll teleport you here, and then you're there. Okay. So all those of you who want to do that, go for it. Let the fudge. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Alright. Event spot. Event spot list. Okay. Who do you guys want to build next for our what do you call it? Our extravaganza. Hey, let's do some organizing, by the way. I kind of want to do some organizing. Because a lot of our little guys are kind of all spread out. What's a good layout, do you think? Maybe we should move them over here. This would kind of be a good area to put them. What's a good layout, do you guys think? Expand 100. Span 100. Oh, set stone. All right, this looks good. Span 20. Oh, set brown concrete. Fudge. Set white concrete. Okay. What should we do? That's a little bit too high. And it bothers me. What about a Barbie Boy Halo statue for us? How about this? Let's come up with some extras, chat. Extra variations that we could theoretically do. And we'll add those to the list. Potentially. Center gold lock. A button statue? You guys are crazy. Okay, here's the center. Set red concrete. White just is too difficult to see the distinction between the blocks. So here we go. Now we'll copy the foot area just like this. I think we'll do like from there to there. Just do it like that. Copy, put that over here, just like this. Undo, paste, undo, paste. There we go. All right. Now I just need to go from here to here. Stack 3. And can we go one more? Okay. Actually, let's just go to there. Okay. Stack 3. Wait a minute. Is that right? Yes. All right. This looks good. And then I think we rotate it around to the right and then paste it there and then paste it again. Did you make Skippy Jr. yet? No, I haven't. Copy, rotate 90, paste. All right, let's put this here. Set white concrete. Okay. I think this looks good. Let's copy our little guys over. We'll start with, you know what? I should be able to just go from here up to here. I don't think any of them have gone into the red. Pause 2. Oh, a little bit higher. Pause 2. I think I should have enough room for, wait a minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, get rid of that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, fudge. I can only grab 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause 2. All right, and copy. Let's go over here and paste. I'm just trying to keep everything somewhat organized. Chat, somewhat organized. There we go. Nice. Nice. Okay. Now we just go over here. Here. Oh, wait a minute. Yes. Copy, rotate 90, paste. Interesting. Anyway, aren't they super cute, chat? What do you think of them? What do you think of our little statues? They're super adorable, aren't they? What I'm thinking we'll do, after we have them all, like, set up, right? we will, hey, thank you for the 25. Hello, Babu and Ghosties. Hi, Jenny. We will, after we have them all set up, chat, what I'm thinking we will do is, what's the word? You know what I'm talking about. All right, let's do this. Pause 2. Copy. After we have them all set up, we will, like the outer layer filled, we will do the inner layer. Will be the next one. Undo, rotate 90, and paste. I just realized, chat, I'm rotating some of them. I really hope that doesn't mess up these little ones. Oh, man. It might end up messing up some of them. I guess we'll find out. Ah, dang it. Yeah, showcase. You know what? We'll just try this. Copy. Flip. Woohoo. And then we'll paste them right here. Yeah, we'll do an inner layer next. Let's just finish pasting them. There we go. Yes, the glasses are not messed up, so we're good. Okay, we got room for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But once we place a toile, that'll be room for... See, I will say, looking at Etoile's statue today, I'm gonna be honest, I'm actually happy with it, chat. Yesterday, I was feeling a little bit bummed out. Like I wasn't enjoying the statue that much. But looking at it today, I think it looks a lot better. I think I got in my head about it. You know what I mean? You ever look at some... Oh! Well, what do you know? These are cute. Holy crap. These are giant. And super cute. What the fudge? Look, chat. This little Dapper. Dapper, we gotta do your quest today, but you're so tall now. Oh my goodness. And look, his little palm. Logic, did you build these? Impressive. A gift for you to get through the drought. Aww. And you didn't even build Richarlison. Aw, that's so nice. Let's go. That'll learn you Richarlison. Aw, all joking aside. These are super cute. Chat, check these out. Look at them. I think you missed a paste, though. I think you built these elsewhere. There we go. Fixed. Very nice. Very cute. Chat, look at that. Look at that. So cute. Oh, so cute. I don't know if this... Is this supposed to be right here, Logic? This right here. I don't know if this... I feel like that's supposed to be like... Like this right here. That's supposed to be like that? Logic? Hello? Over here? Like this? These little dots. I don't know. Okay. I just... Almost looks like an artifact to me, but... If you say so. Very nice. Very cute. Hello. I love it. Aren't they super cute, chat? Leave other people's builds alone. I'm not antagonizing the build. I'm just looking at it. I'm allowed to have my own critiques, but it looks really nice, Logic. Thank you so much, Logic. That's super awesome of you to do that. You know what? I just got an idea. Paste. Undo. Paste. There we go. Yes! Alright. Who do we build next, chat? Let's go determine it. Alright. We've got all the names in these different hoppers. Let's push them. Green. Oh, hold on. And German versus... Hold on. I gotta get rid of some of these. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boop. German versus... Oh! Green again. Pole, we already built him. Quackity! Oh, German versus Quackity. Who gets built? Oh, alright, I'm gonna do a poll. /poll. Let's do it. Who do we build? Who do we build next? German, Quackity. Your choice, chat. Make your vote. Will it be German or Big Q? Let's see. Let's see. All right. While you guys do your voting, I'm going to copy a template so that we can get this built right next to a toile. Is pronounced Herman? You sure? Wait, is German not pronounced German? Hold on, I'm reading the chat. Herman. 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 Like Herman. Herman. Okay. Alright, so will it be Quackity or Herman? And it looks like is going to be a Quackity sweep, I think. I think Quackity is going to sweep it. Alright. Yeah, looks like Quackity's winning. Let's stick him right here. Rotate 90. Paste. Dang it. Undo. Paste. Let's go. All right. Okay. Let's look up Quackity's skin. Now, I've done a build of Quackity's skin before. I don't know if he's changed his skin at all. He may have. We'll find out. Oh my goodness. Wait, what? Okay, this cannot be... Okay, here we go. I found his skin. Okay, so we have a handful of options, chat. We can do classic Quackity, which we already have one built of. I'm gonna be honest, I think we already have a build of him. But we can always just go for it, not look at the other one, and just go for it. What do you think? I don't think he looked that different. Or we could build a variation of his skin. Do you guys want to try a variation? There's Quackity with Taline's ribbon. There's Suit Quackity, Duck Suit Quackity, Blonde Hair Quackity, Quackity Worker, Quackity Hatsune Miku, Quackity wearing a soccer uniform. Oh, there's Quackity wearing the L Quackity outfit. What do you guys want to think? Do we just do traditional Quackity? What do you guys think? The L Quackity skin would be the variant we could do. Where is it? Here we go. L Quackity skin has kind of like, oh gosh darn it. Is this blue or gray? I think it's gray. Okay. We might be good. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. Woohoo. What do you think, chat? That sound good? Yeah, I think the El Quackity skin. So it's this one with this trench coat. I know. All right, let me fix this though. We need to make one slight adjustment. On. Pause 2. Oh my gosh, I just realized I bet you I could do this. I'm so smart, chat. I'm so smart. You want to see a cool trick? Check this out. Ready? Copy. Check this out. Flip. Check this out. Ready? Paste. Let's go. The only problem that I'm noticing now is they are also flipped. So we'll put, that way we can put Selbit there and Quackity will be there. So I do think I need to flip them one more time. Pause 2. Copy. Flip. Paste. There we go. Problem solved. Now we'll do the same over here. Pause 2. Let's go. The demon / I version of El Quackity. Oh no, not, you're talking about the bacon looking thing, right? Nah. Not that that would be a bad idea, just I don't know. Alright, here we go. Here is our wait. Is this the El Quackity skin, chat? Weird. I thought it was a different one. Okay. Okay. Alright. Come and stand right here. Severe logic. Alright. Let's see. Let me grab my color palette. I definitely think that's like a purple that I just saw. Pause 2. Copy. TP logic. Okay. Hey, it's definitely like, I feel like that's definitely a violet color. And that's definitely just like, I think a blue concrete would just work best for that. For that right there. Not sure what to do for that though. That'll be fine. So blue followed by blue jeans. Okay, it's definitely a jean color, chat. Isn't this like a jean color? It's like a jean blue. Flipping hate blue. Blue's now my least favorite color. I'm just kidding, blue. I could never hate you. You know what? It's just not dark enough. It's like a cross between these two colors. Dang it! Maybe this one. What the? Maybe this one. No. Why? When will this nightmare end, chat? Is there a darker gray? I don't know. I'm experiencing emotional despair, chat. Okay. That wouldn't work. Okay, maybe there's another block type I can use. Hmm. No. Keep your eyes peeled, chat. Oh! This is kind of close. Hmm. This might be the closest one. It's not quite there, but I kind of want to try it. Replace stone, black stone. That might work. The texture is really, really off-putting. You know what? We just do this. Replace black stone, smooth terracotta. Oh, wait. What am I doing? Blue terracotta. Let's just do that for now. We'll just do that. We'll figure out a way to make it work. We'll do that with, like, gray trim. And what color shoes? Like a dark... Oh, but it looks so bad. It looks so bad, chat. Help me. What color? Guys, I think we just have to bite the bullet and just go with gray. We'll call that gray or black. We can always say it's just black because we can't use blackstone because the texture is driving me insane. Or we do black concrete powder. That way we get a little bit of a lighter look. Place blue, terracotta, black, concrete powder. Alright, what do you guys think? Dark gray, gray. I can't really use a gray. Maybe gray wool? It's just too bright, chat. Yeah, let's just use black concrete powder. We're gonna take some artistic liberties, chat. Just a little bit. Because this is kind of like a really dark gray. So we're gonna take a handful of artistic liberties just to get it to work. Alright. Replace stone, blue, concrete. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, but here's my problem. Is this too bright? Huh. No, it's fine. I think it just looks brighter compared to the other thing. There we go. Okay. Oh, he's got little tiny gloves. Do darker highlights instead. It's hard to do dark highlights.
Quack.
With different types of blocks. I'd always do like something like this if I wanted to do highlights. Or if I want to do like a color variation. Because the wool adds in a little bit of like an interesting texture. What if I incorporate that? No, that looks terrible. Why can't everybody just make their skin out of block colors that exist in the game? You'd think people would think about me and think, is Bad gonna have an easy time replicating this? But no one seems to. It's rather peculiar, chat. Yeah, like, look at this skin. Red and black. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. But nope. Everybody wants to do something else. Everybody wants to do something else. I know, it's so inconsiderate, chat. You think people would be considerate of the future. Would have the foresight to look into the future and say, is my skin going to be difficult or easy to recreate. But nope, not a single person ever stops to think that. And honestly, it begs the question, are they being inconsiderate? I don't know. It does beg the question. Okay, what is the closest to this? Not quite. And not quite. I think the sandstone is closer. Clay, stone, sand. Smooth sandstone. Yeah, I think that's pretty close. Birch, you think? Birch might be good. Let's try stripped birch wood. That is pretty darn close, actually. Hold on. Replace smooth sandstone, smooth birch wood. Oh, stripped birch wood. Stripped. There we go. The texture always throws me off, but we did it with losers, so we can just do it for now. Okay. So to do Quackity's face would be like the eyes are high and the mouth is like low. So like something like this. Yes. I'm gonna be honest, chat. I feel like the sandstone looks better. Yeah. Ah!
Quack.
Dang it. Bro looks like a Roblox character. Yes, he does. Didn't he play like a bunch of Roblox at one point? I feel like, chat, that was kind of the point of the skin, actually. I feel like that's kind of what he was going for. Set black concrete. Okay. To the side, the hair just goes down the side like this. I think we do like, yeah, we'll just do it like that. There we go. See the back. Okay. Wait, what? You guys ever notice the hair on his skin is uneven? Huh. Never noticed that. That's crazy. Is it his wig coming askew? Wait a minute. Holy crap. Look. Wait, what? I never noticed that. Yeah. The face is over 1 pixel. So he literally, his character really is like wearing a wig. That's crazy. How have I never noticed that? I don't know, just kind of in my head, it like always centered itself. That's crazy. Anyone else feel like your head like always centered it for some reason? I do not like this. Yeah, that looks too off. We're gonna have to give him the benefit of the doubt. There we go. There we go. Huh. Great, now I can't remember what it looked like. Let's do this. That's interesting though. Okay, we're just gonna center it up. Because it's gonna... Thank you, LVE Misa, for subbing for 7 months. Hi. Hello, Bad. I haven't caught one of your streams in a while. How is Dapper? Oh, how is Dapper? More like, where is Dapper? Great. Gosh darn it. I don't know. That's the point. Oh, I'm wallowing in anguish and despair, chat. Okay, here's the $1 million question. Do we push the hair out or not? Nah, let's just keep it tied into the Robloxy head. Oh yeah, I guess he is right over there with Palm. No, that's fair. Yeah, he's right over there. We saw them earlier. Thank you. Thank you very much, LV Misa. Yeah, they're fine. They're fine. They're right over there. What am I worried about? What am I worried about, chat? What am I worried about? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do the benefit of the doubt. We'll just, because we're straightening up other parts of the skin, we'll just clean it up a little bit. Wait a minute. What? There we go. Sorry, I'm just trying something with the head. But it didn't look good, so let's not do that. Okay. Alright. Honestly, I feel like aside from little adjustments, I think we grab like some dark gray for the gloves. Or actually, do we do black? Yeah, let's do black. Let's give him little gloves, chat. Here we go. There we go. Look, he's got the little finger mitt things. All right. This is not biblically accurate. What the fudge? Look, we're doing a little bit of interpretation. We're doing a little bit of interpretation, chat. Because we have to do it in order to get some of the colors and things right. There, I can change this top part, make it more of a gray. Alright, that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm pretty happy. The only way I think we could tweak it more would be maybe if we like push the head up over on this side. Nah, that's fine. I think it looks good. Now, here's the $1 million question. Do we want to make the hair more voluminous? Because he's got a little bit of volume on the sides. So we could theoretically add a little bit of volume like up here. Like, so imagine if the top kind of looked like that from the front. Oh my gosh. No, let's not do that. Okay, let's go over and look at the other one I built. We'll compare the two of them. Huh. I really just said, forget about it, and did... I literally just gave him a cube for a head. Okay. Alright. Bad, that's a beanie, not hair. Are you sure? I mean, we could do that. Do you guys just want to do that? Do you want to just push out the sides of his head? And then flatten out this top bit like this? And then shave the top part of the head off like so? We just do that. Didn't actually look bad, if I'm being honest. That looks a lot like Quackity. Okay, I'm keeping it. Looks like a TV. It looks good. It's either a beanie to cover his bald head or a wig. Maybe it's both, chat. Oh, that's a good idea for an invention. Let me write that down. The beanie wig. It's a beanie, but it looks like hair. I'll call it the beanie wig. It's a good idea for an invention, chat. I bet you somebody's made that. Someone look that up. So it's just a wig? No. It's a beanie that looks like a wig. Think about it. Like, think about the nuance. Okay? Like, picture a beanie, but it's got hair that is built into it, right? So it is a wig, but it's a hairy beanie. Okay? So it looks like hair. You feel me? Basically, it's meant to disguise the fact... Wait, is it trying to disguise the fact you're wearing a beanie? Or the fact that you're wearing a wig? No, because it looks like a wig. No, it looks like a beanie. So a wig but warm. Exactly. The wig for the people on the go. The wig for the people on the go. Have you done the egg quest yet? Oh, have I made the eggs yet? No, I haven't. But we do have an egg, 2 eggs that have been made. Anyway, Food for thought, chat. Sorry, I'm like... Oh, hold on, chat. I'm thinking about you. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Boop. Okay, let's go grab the next one. Bad beanie wigs do exist. Now I believe you. All right, you guys ready for the next one? Here we go. Blue. Let's dispose of this. And looks like we're getting Carre versus... Oh, wait. Ignore this. I need to push it again. Blue! So we'll count that one, which was Nikki. Carre versus Nikki, chat. Those are the two we're doing. Let's go. All right. I'm going to set up a poll. You guys do the voting. Yeah, chat, they really do have them. The beanie wig. That's crazy. Someone stole my idea. Kare versus Nikki. Hold on, chat. Got like a knot in my hair. A muffin? But so here, I'm gonna set up a poll. Get ready. You guys get to pick one or two. Okay? Who do we build next? Carre, Nikki. And good luck. Go ahead and vote. Do, 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 do. Society. What? That's why he never goes outside. That is a good idea. Society. What do you think? So how is your day today? Pretty good. Wait, no, today actually sucked. I spent like 4 hours looking for this adapter that was sitting on my desk the whole time. So yeah, no, today kind of sucked, actually. Yeah, in hindsight. Yeah, no, it's a huge waste of time. Oh, you guys want a tour of the thing so far? Yeah, I can give you a tour. Yeah, this is literally crazy, chat. Kind of crazy. All right, who's winning? Skill issue, King. What the fudge? It's not a skill issue. Okay, it is kind of a skill issue. But realistically, how was I supposed to know that the thing that I had been searching for days was just sitting on my desk? Okay? How was I supposed to know that, chat? Exactly. Sure, I put it there at some point, obviously. But that doesn't mean I'm blind. Alright. Let me check the poll, and Nikki wins with 404 votes. All right, let's do it. Are you guys ready? All right, let's go. Okay, let me think, chat. Jaden's hair is bothering you? Look at the skin. This is a very accurate version. All right. Is this what Nikki's skin currently looks like, chat? Hold on. I'm going to go look at the old version of Nikki. Because we have an old... I thought we had an old version. Do we have an... We don't, chat. We've never made a version of Nikki before. Okay. The back. Nah, I'm telling you, the Jaden skin turned out pretty good. That's crazy. How have we never made one before? I thought I did. Maybe it was on a different server. Let's go put it right here. Let me just build Nikki right here, actually. All right, let's move our palette over. I really need to build like a big version of this. 30. Okay, I'm gonna build like a big version of this. Bad, you gonna do the egg tasks today? Yes, I will. Hold on, I'm gonna play some music, chat. Let's think. Okay, look. See, this is what I'm talking about, chat. Simple colors. All of these exist in Minecraft. Default blocks. Perfect. Love it. Let's start off with the shoes. I don't know why I like starting with the shoes. I think it's because it feels like I'm making progress. You know what I mean? Like gray concrete. See, if only people could be this considerate. You know what I mean? Be that considerate and give me colors that I can do whatever I want. You feel me? But no. Everybody's got to use crazy colors. You know what? I bet you this is supposed to be like a wool sweater. So we can actually give it like that color, I think. Let's actually give it the gray wool texture. Set gray wool. Boop. Wait, what? Replace stone gray wool. Hey, have any of you guys seen that new Disney movie Wish? Is it any good? I've heard mixed reviews about it. Apparently a lot of people saying the art or the animation looks bad. And other people saying it's just a boring movie. It's bad, don't bother, kind of mid-tier. I will say, in general, chat, that seems to be the vibe. Where if, that's my rule of thumb, chat. If no one has told me, I talked to enough people, chat, that if no one has told me, hey, have you seen insert movie? It's probably a bad movie. And so far, no one has asked me if I've seen Wish. And I haven't. So, make it that way you will. You know what else I think is interesting, chat? Hold on. You know what else is interesting? What's the word I'm looking for? Wait a minute. So let's do like a light gray. White. Nope. Like that. Let's move it up a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Come on. What was I saying? Oh yeah, you know what's interesting, chat? Apparently it was supposed to be Disney's 100-year like anniversary film. Oh, no, that's not what I was gonna say. Have you guys seen the one movie though? That's like it's what's the word? The DreamWorks released it a while back. You know what I'm talking about? The Boots one with the cat from Shrek. You know what I'm talking about? Have you guys seen that? Apparently really flipping good. I mean, I've seen it. It is good. I love the villain. The villain in that movie is so flipping awesome. Yeah. Puss in Boots. So flipping awesome. I think the villain is the best part of that whole movie. That's a villain done right, chat. I feel like that's a villain done right. I feel like so many movies get the villain part just wrong nowadays. So it's very refreshing to just see like a really well done like villain. Okay, I feel like that is too much color. I feel like I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna tone it down a little bit. It's just a little, the spacing is a little too much. I'm gonna try and blend it together. But it was so flipping good. The character who plays Death. We should watch it together on stream like a watch party. Oh, you mean piracy? What the fudge? You guys are crazy. Where was I? But anyway, really good. You really don't see movies embrace. I watched this one video where they were talking about how one of the main differences between how DreamWorks and Disney kind of operate is DreamWorks isn't afraid to show blood, which is a great point to think about. Is that the reason there's more, like the movies are so much better? I don't know, but it is an interesting thought. Hi, Foolish. Is he in here? Why haven't you built me? Oh, you want to be built too? Is that it? All right, Foolish. Boom. Here you go. I did build you. Oh, wait. No, that's Paul. All right. Boom. Here. Oh, nope. That's Mariana. All right, Foolish. Here. Oh, wait a minute. Nope. That's Luzu. Look, I haven't built that many other people. So it's not like I'm trying to avoid building you or anything. See, look. Here's... Oh, no. That's Quackity. Here... Fudge. That's right here. Look. Fudge. It's wall. Okay. Bashi. Here you go. Fudge. Alright. There we go. Anyway. Alright, yeah, no, I can build you. Yeah, no, look, it's all good. It's all good. I had fun playing that game with you yesterday, Foolish. Oh my goodness, chat. Yesterday we were playing Among Us. I changed my mind, don't. You know what? I am gonna build you. I'm gonna take a time out of the day and I'm literally gonna build you next. Boom. Not even gonna leave it up to chat. I'm just gonna build you next. So get ready, Foolish. Ha! Just because you told me not to, I'm going to do it. I win. Get wrecked. Oh yeah, I do have another variation of you. There we go. If you want to see it. But I need to build an updated one because this is off of your old skin. But look. This is you. Look at you. You're such a little guy. Such a little guy. I built this. I'm not even sure when. I gave you a little party hat because I think I built it around your birthday. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I can top this. December 2022 apparently is when I built this. That's crazy. Super cute. Look, it's even your shark hat is blushing. It's blushing. Isn't that crazy? Hi, Bittersweet. Thank you for the 1,000 bits. You crazy person, you. Thank you. Wow. Should we just copy him over, chat? I'm gonna be honest. This is probably my cutest build. I mean, really. Maybe we should swap out and put the capybara head. You know what? Let's just copy this one over. And we'll just make some necessary tweaks when the time comes. Boo? Did you just boo? It's great. What do you mean boo? You want me to build another one from scratch? What the fudge? You want an original? Chat, he wants an original. Oh my gosh, that's gonna require so much labor. You want fine? I'll build you an original. Flipping so needy. You're so needy. All right, what are we gonna use for? You're gonna have to wait your turn. It's not your turn yet. When your name is drawn, or next, whichever comes first. Sandstone? Nah, this one is definitely just place, stone, white, terracotta. Yeah, man. Anyway. Oh yeah, you guys want to hear a funny story, by the way, about me and Foolish. Oh, he's calling. Hello, Foolish.
Hello. Yeah. First of all, okay, I don't want a statue. I just find it crazy that you haven't made me a statue.
It's over there. What, you want an original one for this round?
Some old 2022 statue. That's crazy.
You can't
just recycle. You can't just recycle gifts.
What the fudge? Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Look, just because I haven't gotten around what actually no, it's not even I haven't gotten around to you. It's that the stars haven't aligned to have your name be selected yet. So blame fate.
Wait, so what? You just pull a name from a bucket or something?
Yes. Look, I'll show you. I have all the names in these dispensers. I push the button and it gives me one at random. So like
interesting.
Oh look, here's you. You're right here. It literally could be you. Back to watch if yellow comes up. Oh, nope, yellow didn't come up. Oh, green. Oh, yeah, no, sorry. I guess in that batch that wouldn't have been you.
Oh, I don't even care.
And you're literally right here. But I'll build you next. I'll build you next.
No, I don't want a pity build. I don't want a pity build.
I'm building you next.
No, please don't.
I'm doing it.
Just build me when you're ready to build me. Don't just build me just to build me.
I'm literally building you next. There's nothing you can do to stop it now.
I'd rather you not build me. I'd rather you not build me at this point.
It's too late. It's happening. Literally, I've already pasted you. You're literally right here. I'm going to build you. Next.
Do not build me. Do not build me.
I'm building you.
When it's time to build me. Okay, I don't want to skip the line.
You
of
want
being built.
Destiny, but it might take literally weeks.
Weeks?
Or
that's fine.
Days.
That's fine. If that's when it's my time to get built, then that's when I get built. I don't want you just to build me all willy nilly. I want you to be ready to build me.
I am ready. You're being ridiculous, Foolish. You're literally being, this is just like that Among Us game from yesterday when you went up and killed somebody right in front of like 5 people. And then I immediately killed someone right after.
Yeah.
And they still
And
didn't catch us. That was
We
awesome.
literally didn't even have to like create an alibi. Like
Yeah.
they didn't really ask too many questions.
I know, and they just started like talking over each other, and we just sat there, and then we immediately killed like people right after that too. It's just
Yeah.
we won that
We were
game.
just-
We clutched.
And then like in electrical, we somehow we did a double kill again, right? Was it?
Yeah,
And then once again, like we just got away with it.
we just got away with it. Every
Yeah.
time we would just sit there and be quiet, and they were just like. And I remember at some point, I don't know if it was that game, but someone's like, "Nah, Bat always talks a lot when he's the spy." I'm like, yeah.
Oh.
Good observation. But then we
Yeah.
just I can't remember what we ended up doing at the end, where like they're arguing with each other. Did they vote someone out like right before, and then we just
that could
need
have
one
been-
kill?
Yeah. Because I
It
think
was
it was
great.
like voted on 6 or something, maybe.
Yeah.
Or-
And they were like
Yeah.
arguing about whether or not they should do. Oh, and then we just like threw someone under the bus. That was fun.
Yeah.
We should play more Among Us. That's a lot of fun.
Yeah. No, I can understand like if you're playing it like a ton, like day after day, it gets like a little too repetitive and everything. But yeah, it was fun doing it.
But on
Um,
occasion, it's like just the right. It's just the right
Yeah.
game, you know.
Yeah. I think
like it.
I think my favorite imposter round was either like the one me and you had or like the one where to start. I was just like was just fucking murdering everyone.
Oh my gosh.
It was just like I think yeah, I think it was like explained already. I think Pun's the same, but basically I like just killed Puns, like sat on his body. Ant showed up. Just like was looking at me, looking at the body, and then then my kill cooldown came back up again, so then I killed him, and then I just sat in between their two bodies. Oh yeah, Puns, I did murder you. Yeah, speaking of the birthday boy. Pizza, thank you.
Speaking of the birthday boy, that'll alert him.
I'll learn him. Puns,
Yeah.
it was just too easy. I think
Puns- Puns and I were imposter one round, and I was just like, every time people would like ask, I would just like say exactly where I was, and I was like, fudge. Like, it was so bad. Like, I ended up like, and Puns killed someone, and then he's standing right by. So this is so funny. Puns, I had like his chat open at this time, just like reading the chat. Puns literally goes kills someone, or no, he's standing right outside electrical, right?
okay.
On the one map where you turn lights on, it's the spaceship, or like the one where you come out of the dropship. He kills someone, or like no, I killed George. I killed George
Wait, you
in
need
the
to
camera
restart the
room.
story. Wait, restart
Okay,
the story because
here's
I
the
have
restart,
lost
restart.
the plot.
Okay,
Yes.
follow along. Let me restart. So it's the map with the dropship that you come out of. We're over. I kill George, go down, start walking around, go back up with Puns,
Yeah.
and then I see Puns. He walks over to electrical. I walk back into cameras, see
Okay.
George's body. I'm like, oh, someone might walk up on me. I'll report the body. I report the body. I'm like, okay, we're in comms. We're having a discussion, and no one asked. I just volunteer. Oh yeah, I'm in cameras. This is after Puns gives his location. Puns is like, I'm in electrical, and I just go, oh yeah, I'm in cameras. This is where the body is. And George's chat, or Puns' chat is like, Bat, don't say you're there. Or don't say where the body is. Lie. And I'm just being like, and so it makes Puns look super suspicious because he's like right next to where the body is. And I'm just like, oh yeah, that was probably a bad play. Oh,
I've lost the plot, dude. I can't
Anyway,
understand.
I reported
I can't understand.
okay, it's very. I reported the body's location. I was honest, and it made
Okay.
Puns look suspicious because he was really close to it. And there was no
oh.
reason. I could have just lied. Nobody knew where it was. I could have just said something else. So
Was this like the same game where I was like, at the very first round, I was like, oh, Spuns is kind of suspicious with his movement? Was it that round? Okay.
I think it was.
I can't remember. I think that night I only had a few imposter games, but I think I won all of them.
Yeah, I had a handful. I think I
had like
had a decent amount actually. I think I was imposter a lot.
Yeah, I definitely wasn't imposter that much. Wait, did I only have 2? Was I only 2 times? Wait, the crew never won?
Wait, really? We never won, like at all. That's actually crazy if that's true.
I feel like they did.
Maybe they
know.
didn't though. That's crazy.
I can't remember. Did they win the round where I knew who one of the killers were? Like because it was Sylvie. And then it was like, oh, you have to kill me or I'm gonna say who it was. Did the crew win that round?
I don't think they killed you that round. Because
No, they definitely killed me that. No, they killed me that round. Because then after I made that statement, Sylvie killed me.
Oh, okay. I was trying to follow you that round. I think that's the round. Oh yeah, that stupid game where I was like, I'm like, guys, I watched someone pink run by with Sapnap and killed Sapnap, and I'm like, and I found his body, and I'm like, it's Kate. Definitely like kill Kate. And like no one wanted to kill Kate. I was like, what the fudge? So then later on, I'm like, I think that was the same game where like I was like, guys, I'm gonna die, kill Kate, okay? And I die that round and no one kills Kate. And I'm just like, what the fudge? But Kate did end up being executed, thankfully. But I couldn't believe it. I was like, this is crazy. But I think that was the same round that happened in.
I just think you're not very trustworthy, Bad. That's why.
No, everybody always accuses me of being third imposter, but I'm just like genuinely like I get very emotive is the issue.
Yeah, I don't know, because I feel like me and you, like when we're playing Among Us, we do a similar amount of talking, which isn't too much. But whatever it is you do, you are much more suspicious.
Which is crazy because I'm just a little guy, you know. So the fact people find me suspicious is like, what are you gonna do, you know?
Oh yeah, Puns. Yeah, I heard you were doing that. I was like, ah, he's gonna help me get away with it. But then I didn't want to make the game too difficult because then I was thinking about like going with that theory and making you actually think I was imposter. But then I was like, we'll make it a little. I'll go a different route and just try to see if make it a little tougher for Sylvie. But yeah, what happened there, Puns? I literally saw Sylvie do it, and then I just stood over the body. It just happened to be you that showed up. And I was like, oh, he's maybe seen this before. Seen this go down. I still wanna for that new map. Did they get rid of the giant telescope that sees everything, or is that still there on the map? The giant telescope, where you can like look across wherever. I was trying to look for it and I couldn't find it.
I think I found that at one point because if that's the new, we were playing on that one map.
Yeah, the one we played to start is just that huge map.
Yeah, I just stumbled across that. I wasn't sure what it was, but I did figure out how to use that. I was like, oh, this is kind of cool.
Lower right. Oh, I just couldn't find it because I was like, oh, with this like many new people playing this map, it's like the most broken thing. And even with not new people, it's still broken because you can just literally just without people even being able to tell, like you're just looking everywhere.
But you can literally see anywhere.
I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure you literally can just take it around the map. There could be. Now I'm forgetting though. I might be spreading falsehoods. I could be wrong.
Crazy though.
Yeah, it's slow. Oh, okay, that's the caveat for it. It's like really slow moving it around. That's where it goes to shit. Or shoot, my bad.
Language.
Didn't mean to pull a naughty word out of Santa's bag. You know,
Santa's bag.
It's called a metaphor, okay? It's a
metaphor.
fun, creative way to just say I said a bad word. But instead of just saying I said a bad word, I then described it as pulling a naughty word out of Santa's bag, which isn't a very clean metaphor because it wouldn't make sense to pull a naughty word out of Santa's bag. If anything, it would be like a clean gift language. But I'm still working on building it. But in the heat of the moment, though, I think we both understood what we were trying to say.
No, I get you. I get you.
Yeah,
No, that's fair.
that's all.
Language.
I want to say. Yeah, that I think I'm ready to head my own separate way.
Okay.
But it was a good little chat we just had here.
Yeah. Nice nice catching up as usual, talking about our victories. Oh. I will see you later then.
All
Gotta go
right.
attend to Rat. Goodbye.
Okay, see ya.
See ya. Meh, meh. I have returned, chat. Goodbye, foolish. That was pretty fun. So we're gonna build foolish next, by the way. But in the meantime, I need to figure out how to get these colors right. It's almost like a darker gray, but not quite. It really does kind of match the color though, but it's pastel. Maybe we go for cyan? No. What if we do this? There we go. That might be better, actually. Actually, it's almost like a different eyelash type. Like shape. What do you think, chat? Black eyelashes, grayish eyes. Yeah. It's almost like this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a slightly unique interpretation. Yeah, because you see how the hair like kind of like peeks in front like that? There we go. What do you think, chat? Think I need a little bit more kind of volume coming down. Kind of like that. And then I also think maybe like bringing that back a little bit. And like that. Something like that. I'm feeling. Okay, what are your thoughts, chat? And then I feel like something like this. Lucy, what are you doing? I hear you being a little rapscallion. There we go. Lucy, what are you doing? What is that? Stop it. Stop it. I also have food. I like the look of that, chat. I think that looks good. It looks like cracked deep slate tiles would be the closest match. Wait, what? For what? For which thing? For the sweater? Maybe not cracked. Replace cracked deep slate tiles. Deep slate tiles. Hello, Soaring. How are you doing? Hi. The problem is the texture, chat. Yeah. Replace deep slate. Actually, does the texture look fine, chat? Does it have a knit vibe? No. Replace deep slate. Deep slate. Fudge. Tiles. Gray concrete. Let's try gray concrete. There we go. There we go. I think I like gray concrete. Hi! How are you doing? Sorry, you having a good day? Hola. Fine. The texture looked cool. It's not that I didn't like the texture. It just, what's the word? It's just, it was not the right texture. You feel me? Hold on. I'm trying to find Soaring in the chat. I love your emotes. I will subscribe soon. Ah, Soaring, you're so nice. The emotes are super cute, aren't they? Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Aw. That's so nice. Thank you, Soaring. I hope you're doing good, by the way. Hope everything is going well. I don't like it actually looking like that, chat. How's your day going? I just got some food, so I'm gonna start snacking. Hold on. Looking for his IG or his handle so I can. There you go. That way I can see it better. There we go. But alright, chat. I'm going to eat for a little bit, then we'll finish up the skin. Oh gosh darn it. There you go. Welcome, Soaring. Hey! Aw! Thank you, Panda Man on. Hmm. Hmm. Oh. 1 second, chat. I'm good. Cloudy high. Oh, wrong thing. Sorry, chat. I switched to fade to black on accident. There we go. Hey, Lucy, what are you doing? Stop it. Oh yeah. Sorry, chat. I'm getting really distracted by dogs being crazy. Up, sit. Nope. Up. Sit. Stay. Nope. Up. Come here. Up. Sit. Stay. Okay. Ugh. This dog chat. I am getting distracted. Sorry, I'm sorry. Hi, guys. Okay. Friendly. Oh yeah, chat. I do have captions if you're interested. By the way, hold on. Scrolling up. There we go. Yeah. Anyway, where were we? That's good to do. Sorry, chat. Dang it, Lucy, chill. Lucy, like, being the biggest distraction right now. Okay. Let's cover the hair part like this. Bad we never got the Lucy picture. I have the Lucy picture. Well, I don't have the picture. I do have a picture that's really cute. I do need to post it. I had come across Rat wrapped up in blankets. Like a little rat burrito. So she was super cute. Chill, Lucy. Let's do something like... Chill, Lucy. Huh. How's that look? How's that look, chat? See, it's interesting. The way... I just noticed the way this skin is done. It really is like the hair is like tucked into the hoodie. Or the sweater. Or like, I guess not is tucked in, but is like put up. And like the little kind of bun thing. What would you call these? These little doop-a-doop. I don't know. That looks pretty good. I am content, chat, with the layout. Alright. Thoughts? What do we think? Is your dog alright? Yes, she is good. Lizzie? Space buns? Space buns? Wait, is that the name for them, chat? Is actually space buns? Alright, what do you think, chat, by the way? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Here's your screenshot opportunities if you want a good screenshot. There you go. Thumbs up. Space buns sub goal. Space buns. Wait, they're really called space buns. That's kind of cool. Kind of a neat name for it. Alright. I'll donate subs if you post the rat picture. Gosh darn it. I know you guys want the rat picture. I can't post it right now because I need to get one of her wearing the little sweater. This. I'll try and take the picture tonight. We'll see tomorrow. Well, I just can't do it right now. Alright. Are you guys ready? It is... Let's do one final once over. Oh, you know what? I think there's an extra detail we can add. If we want to add a little bit of an extra detail.
Quack.
There we go. A little... boop-a-doop-a-doop. I think giving each skin like a little unique vibe to it is good. There we go. Do like that. Can't think of anything else. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna be honest. Looks pretty good. It's a lot easier to do skins that you don't have to do a lot for the back of the hair. So I'm happier. I was worried I would have to do a lot back here, but this actually matches the skin, so we're good. I think that's good. All right, let's go. Her fingers don't show. They don't, but just like the tips kind of do, I think. Like right there. So I just did the... Maybe we can flip it down here. What do you think? Does that give more of a, like... This almost looks more like fingerless gloves, but what do you think about that? Lucy, you gotta chill, please. Alright, chat, what do you think? Do we do like this? Or like this? Which one has more of like the cozy sweater vibe? This or this? Pick one. 2 or 1? 2? I kind of think 2, yeah. 2 kind of gives like the hands holding on to like the sleeves kind of vibe. Okay. Perfect! Let's go. I'm curious though what it would look like if I did this. Oh wait. I just realized I kind of messed up the color of the eyes anyway. That looks good. Alright. I know, that looked funny for a second. You can have a lot of fun with the expressions, chat. Lizzie! Alright, Lizzie? Nope. Do you want to go in the hallway? Do you want to go in the hallway? She's gonna get some hallway time, chat. Yeah. Next bark, it's hallway time. I'll do it. There you go. Sorry. Hallway time. Yep. Hallway time is where Rat goes in the hallway when she barks. Alright. Did you guys get your adorable screenshots? Go ahead. Boop. There we go. Alright. Let's go do the next one. The next memer. Do we know when the Kyozempi restarts? Hopefully soon, because I gotta admit, chat, I'm going crazy without it. Let's see. Boop. Green. Oh my goodness, chat. No, Foolish was yellow. Fudge. Okay. Oh wait, we already got green. Here we go. Antoine. Oh. Versus. Gosh darn it. What the fudge? Antoine versus Antoine. Antoine versus Dan TDM. Oh, snap. Yeah, I have... Oh, wait. Doesn't it open this Saturday, chat? Or at least that's the current date that they labeled it. Antoine versus Dan TDM. Alright. Let me do a poll. Poll. Here we go. Who do we build next? Antoine, Dan TDM. Go to vote, chat. Place your votes. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. Antoine, it might be a sweep. Might be a sweep, chat. Alright. Looks like we're gonna build Antoine. Alright, logic. Antoine. But we'll let the vote finish, just in case. You never know. 200 of you could show up and vote for Dan TDM. The little Fit statue in the background. Yeah, if you have not seen, here's Fit. You know, I'm kind of curious. Anyway, no, Lucy. No onion rings for you. I don't have onion rings, but I'm just saying you still can't give a rat onion rings. All right, let's do Antoine. Here we go. I bet you I could build Antoine's skin from memory, I bet. So this is the odd skin color. Like in terms of finding the right one, because it's not quite this. And it's not quite this. And it's not quite, it's like an orange. But it's not like smooth sandstone. Like, it's just different from everything. Like, look. Like, it's not near anything. You see? What color is that? The closest might be the jungle. Hey! Alright. I'll be right back, chat. 1 second. I'm gonna give her one more chance. Let's see if she can figure it out. Terracotta, you think? Maybe this, yeah. No. A slightly lighter shade would be good. But there is no lighter shade of that. No. I think the closest is jungle. Like, see that color right there? Let's try jungle planks. You know what's funny is that color is literally right like there is almost perfect. That single pixel. And that pixel is not. Either is that one is kind of close, so is that one, that one, that one, and then you get a little lighter. It's just the green. Brown mushroom. I do keep forgetting about this block. It's close. We can try it. It's a pretty... This honestly is going to be a pretty standard skin to make. Let's do this. We'll do this. The texture is going to look terrible with jungle wood. I agree. It does look terrible. The jungle wood texture just looks awful. Too dark? Do I have a brighter red? I don't have a brighter red, chat. Look, it's fine. It's fine. That red is good enough. You know what? That is an interesting thought. How is one color fine? Like, mentally, we kind of accept the fact, like, one color, but we don't for, like, other colors. No, wait. There we go. Something like that. There we go. Okay. Ink. Yeah, it's fine. Concrete powder. Wait, food for thought. The inside of his legs are black and green and glitchy, not normal skin color. What? Oh, yeah. I wonder if that's due to, an artifact. I don't know. Like, it's fine. We'll just do this. We'll try it out. We'll try out different ones. Pause to replace stone stripped jungle wood. Black and okay, doing this mouth is actually going to be difficult. Huh. Huh. Okay, so food for thought. This is really difficult. Yeah, we may have to elevate the head. Like, just do the square like what we did with Quackity. Okay, I'm gonna have to tweak this anyway. See what this didn't look. Maybe if I adjust the eyes slightly and give the same effect. No, because even that is like too high. Huh. Yeah, this is gonna be a tricky one. Oh, what the fudge? Minecraft glitched out. There we go. Lucy, please. I think I'm gonna do a slight interpretation for it, chat. I'm trying to capture kind of that silliness. You know what? It's not bad. Maybe one less block to be symmetrical. Maybe you're right then. Maybe we do need a square head. What? Hey. Hmm. Hmm. Nope. Dang, this is hard. And frowny face back here. Okay, what do you think? We could do something like this. But that looks very close to Quaggity's. Lucy? Fun chat. You're going crazy. Stay. Stay. There we go. Urgh. I am. Stop talking about symmetry. Lucy! Hold on, chat. Okay. Okay, I almost banished her to the hallway chat. She's driving me nuts, chat. She's like getting into every little thing she can. Every time I don't feed her. I mean, I did feed her. I mean, every time I don't give her my food, she gets all... Stop saying make it unsymmetrical. Stop it. You guys are driving me nuts. Every time I see someone say make it unsymmetrical, you're making me lose it, chat. Stop it. Don't say that one more time. Okay? I'm limited in my capabilities of what I'm able to do. Okay, I have a defined space. Just, you gotta chill. I just keep saying it to everybody. It's like, make it unsymmetrical. Make it unsymmetrical. I have a 5x5 canvas. Okay? Trying to figure this out. Just chill. Okay? Nope. Get out. Get. Over there. Trying to keep her from going under my desk, chat. Maybe making his head a little bigger could help. Maybe. I can try. The problem is, like, making it bigger without making it look terrible. So, like, making it have to look like that for the mouth to be authentic. That's all I'm thinking. But I can't do that for obvious reasons. Slabs, can't use slabs. Let's see. No. You know what? I'm gonna shave off the corners. I'm gonna shrink this. Okay. So I'm gonna lower this down to just be seen like this. And this part to just be seen like this. Okay. And we'll do like this and like this. You know what? This kind of gives the best way of conveying the squiggliness of it. I'm doing that. That's just fine. Plus it lets us do this. Lucy, get out! Get out! Go, go, go. Get over there. Stay. Dang it. Dang it, chat. Lucy is crazy. Stay. Do not go under the desk. Stay. Stay. This is fine. I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay. Alright. I think that is good. There we go. That looks a little bit better than making them blocks. So we'll just call it a day. There we go. He is fine. Top mouth is more, maybe. I think I'm satisfied with this. I think I'm satisfied. There. Now I'm satisfied. There we go. Done. Perfect. All right. What do you think? Very nice. Here, let's move logic over here. Lucy, you just don't have any self-control, do you? This dog, chat. I love her to bits, but she's just a little bit of a rapscallion. But I do kind of like that. Alright, there you go, chat. Screeny. I just couldn't think of a better color for the, I know. We may come back and revisit and make necessary modifications. Okay, so you do not have to worry. If I find a better block or say we might do that. Wait a minute. I just realized the version I'm on, chat, I'm on 1.19.4. You know what that means? I could be getting access to better blocks if I switch versions. Alright. That's an interesting idea. Okay. I will be right back. I'm gonna leave you guys in the care of logic. I will be right back. See you in 5-ish minutes, chat. See you in 5 minutes. BRB. Enjoy. What the? Oh. Oh, that's. Oh, you can save dynamic textures. That's kind of cool. I didn't know you could do that. Okay, I'll be right back. You guys hang out. BRB. 1 second.
should be sleeping, but you didn't know. I wanna feel you closer to my skin. I think about you when my heart is beating, but you didn't know. I wanna feel you, wanna let you in. This is what you do to me. Let's explore this fantasy. too long. I ain't got all weekend. We had a good run, yeah, good run, but the clock is ticking. I gotta move on, yeah, move on. I got things to do, all without you. Tell me how I can make this easier, yeah, guide me. I don't want you to get too hurt, there's no need for screams or shouts or ugly words, no. I'm done with getting hate from love, you see, love, you see, love. Baby, can we kill these butterflies? They live and then they die, and that's the way I like it. I just wanna move on with my life. I've loved you for a while, and that's the way I like it. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long. Too long. Move on. On my own. I've been loving you for too long. I know you're eager to move on with us, but you know I never do the long-term stuff, so let go and hope for better luck next time, 'cause I'm done with time-consuming love, you see. Baby, can we kill these butterflies? They live and then they die, and that's the way I like it. I just wanna move on with my life. I've loved you for a while, and that's the way I like it. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long. All these butterflies gotta
Quack. Quack. Quack.
Okay, I may have taken a little bit longer than I originally intended. Running a little late, sorry. But I'm back. Logic time ruined. I'm back. No, go away, /J. I'm back. Hello. Alright. Okay. Where was I? Alright. We successfully built Quackity, Nikki, and Antoine. And who was the next person we were going to build? Had we determined it? Did we? Was Foolish on the list? I don't think he was. I think he wanted Destiny to decide his fate. Well, let's take Antoine out. He's been done. Mariana. Quackity. Pole. Look at all the names we did, chat. I feel like we should start to... wait, is Jaden in there? Okay. But, yeah, we already did Jaden. Nikki. I feel like I'm missing someone. Alice. Maybe here's one. 12. Here we go. Alright. Let's, should we shuffle these, chat? I feel like we can shuffle them. Alright. There we go. We're getting rid of red, chat. Alright, so now we only have 3. Here we go. Let's pick. Who we getting? Yellow? Oh, wait. It is Rivers versus green. Rivers versus Dan TDM. All right. Rivers versus Dan TDM. We have done Luzu in the yellow. Thank you. Rivers versus Dan TDM. Dan TDM. Do you think we'll ever end up making him? Or will it just keep being him versus people? /poll. I guess we'll find out. Who do we build next? Rivers, Dan TDM. I'm starting to wonder if we'll ever actually build him. Will it just Be an endless cycle. Yep, they're called bits. Hello. Thank you, Bittersweet, for the bits. Thank you, guys. I'm at work and quickly came here to do this. Hee 2 months and I hit 1 year. Enjoy the stream, everyone. Thank you, Blukester. Hello. Wow, 1 year. You're crazy. Samantha, thank you for the 200 bits, by the way. Alright, I'm gonna check. Oh, it looks like Rivers might win, but it's close. It's close. I don't think Dan has literally been maybe that's the joke. He's the illusion, chat. The figment of our imagination. Is he real? Honestly, has anyone ever seen Dan? Maybe that's the bit. Is that the joke you guys are making? Are you essentially making the joke that he's not real and therefore we cannot build him? I'm pretty sure he's been like up against like 3 different people. Anyway, food for thought. Alright. I am 80% sure it's going to be Rivers. So, Rivers, please, logic. And thank you again for being so helpful. And changing skins. It makes it better for the viewer. There we go. Just checking the distance, chat. So on average, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. For people who have hair, it's 4 blocks. What do you think? Well, let's do it. It is Rivers time. Boop, boop. Here, go ahead and stand here. Thank you. Okay. Interesting. That is new. Okay. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so I'm thinking something similar to what we did for Nikki. The little, what do you call them? And then I think we do this. Replace stone. Thanks for the wig, by the way, Bad. No problem. There we go. That's like a light gray. I think. It's a lighter gray than this, though. Yeah, I'm gonna use light gray concrete powder. It's a little bit lighter. There we go. Oh, fudge. What color is that?
Quack.
Looks like tough, you think? Ooh, I don't know about close. No. Kind of? Maybe sandstone? Sandstone is close. Yeah, honestly, I think that's close enough. But it's a little bit... You severely misremembered what tough looks like? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I was gonna say, when you said that, I will say for a little bit, I was kind of wondering too. I was like, oh yeah. But then I was like, okay. Not quite. The only problem, chat, though, is using sandstone with terracotta may end up not looking the best. Let's try it just to see how it looks. Place stone, smooth sandstone. Every single time. Boom and boom and boom. Honestly, I think that might actually look fine. Right, what do you think, chat? Will we be victorious? Alright. This is bothering me. Do you think this looks closer to the shoes, chat? I feel like this looks closer than the gray. I'm gonna make them white. Sorry, it was just irritating me. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is pretty close. That's pretty close. Now the hair. My least favorite part. Thankfully, I think we can use pink for that part. But I'm not sure what for here, though.
This is what I recommend. If Dan gets pulled a 4th time, he gets the statue no contest. Cause the poor guy has lost 3 times now.
Oh, that's a good idea. 4th rule. What if we make a rule? We call it 3rd time's the charm. 3rd time's the charm. If you get it on the 3rd time, you get a statue no matter what. Huh. Someone suggested brown mushroom block. This one might work because if we're making it darker. So it'll end up looking a little bit darker. The only other alternative I could think would be something like this, and that does not look good. No, jungle log would not look good here. No, yeah, I think I want to try the mushroom. We'll try it out. Let's see. So, wait a minute. What the? I'm gonna have to copy ahead. Hold on. Okay. Let's see how I did the eyes. Got it. Fudge, wait, what are those colors? Wait. Bum, 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 bum. Egg that mulch. Egg that mulch. I'm telling you, it really sounds like that to me. Egg that mulch. What the fudge does that mean? Egg that mulch. Egg that mulch. Egg that mulch. Maybe snow? Egg that mulch. Egg that mulch. Egg that mulch. We'll see how it looks with the mushroom block. We'll come back and tweak it, I think. Egg that mulch. Egg that mulch. What does that mean? Is that when you throw like mulch or eggs into mulch? Okay, I'm curious to see what I did for the hair over here. Okay. Gotcha. So I did something to it. I don't know. This is irritating me. I can't figure it out. I want to do something kind of like this. But I have no idea what I did here. The fudge did I do over there? How did I make it look like that? I see what I did. Okay. Sneaky, sneaky. Wait a minute. Okay, good. Can you do Catboy Halo again? Catboy Halo. You guys are crazy. What do you mean again? Have I ever done a Catboy Halo statue? I do not think I've ever done a Catboy Halo statue. You know what I've noticed, chat? Ever since I fixed my sleep schedule for the most part, it's been interesting. No, but you should. Sneaky, sneaky. Trying to get me to make something. I'll give you props for creativity. Hey, Bad. Excited for the QSMP to reopen on Saturday. I for sure can't wait. By the way, did you see Baji won Streamer of the Year in Brazil? Why our QSMP members are so talented? Baji won it! That's awesome! Let's flipping go. I did not. Thank you for telling me. That's awesome. I definitely feel like I was probably out of the loop. So, hearing that's great. Thank you for sharing. Let's go! Alright. Let's select from here to here, and let's try this. Pause. 2. Place stone white terracotta. Woo! Alright. That looks pretty good. Oh my gosh. What did I do wrong? Oh no, wait. Up. Up. Go. No, no, no. Up. Up. Come on. Up. Oh, hold on, chat. You wanna go up? No? Dang it. Fudge, what's a better color to use for the eyes, chat? I can't use this like I was planning on. I didn't notice this dripstone block. Actually, no. Strip dark oak. I think I need to avoid texture in the eyes. I can remember anytime I use texture in the eyes, it looks bad. I can try it. Why not? No, it's just like just those. Remember the conversation we had, chat. Use colors that are easy for Bad Boy Halo to reskin later. I'm gonna have to darken everything else. It's too dark now. I could keep it the same shade.
Quack.
Stop saying it looks good. My dog is chewing on one of my socks that I just took off. And now I'm gonna be sockless. Hey, wait a minute. That looks awful. Oh my gosh. Dang it! Oh yeah, the pink. I forgot the pink. The bangs above her eyes look kind of weird. It's because I haven't added the As I add more volume to the head, it'll look better. The head just needs more volume. Let me do that really quick. Right. Fudge. Oh, fudge. What am I doing wrong? Okay. Ah, it still is driving me nuts. I see. It's because I have the bangs up a little bit more. Maybe I need like this. And have it like come out like that. Dang it, every single time. Dang it! Okay, I think I need to go in the reverse way. I can't put my finger on it, chat. I'm gonna go flipping crazy. Why can't everybody design their Minecraft skin so it's easier to build? This is a woe on me situation, chat. You think people would be considerate of others, but no. Everybody just forgets about thinking about the future. Isn't that crazy, chat? No one stops to consider what other people have to go through. Son of a gun. I can't place my finger on it. Oh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Okay. See more of kind of what I'm going for. Definitely better. Hmm. What do you think, chat? Do we get rid of the
Quack.
Oh. That actually might be a little bit of an improvement. Hold on. What do you think? I like it.
Channeling my inner Mommy here from an artist. Expressing your creativity and design choices is far better than chasing after a perfect copy of reality. Don't be so hard on yourself with these. Just do whatever.
Quack.
Thank you for the dono. And Smommy songs, I appreciate it. Nah, that is a fair assessment.
Just wait till he gets Iron Mouse chat.
Oh,
You will need
gosh.
a BB Halo Ghost popcorn emote for that one.
Oh my
XD.
gosh. I can't remember what Mouse's skin looks like. Oh gosh. Alright, okay. We'll just... I think this is pretty good. I agree with some of you in that it is a little on the round side. I'm not sure how we can fix that other than like... There you go. I think that fixed it a little bit. We just bring these up a little bit. Like there. Okay. That looks good. That looks good. I'm content with that. It's got the hair falling down. I think we do that. There we go. Yeah. We got the buns, chat. They're right there. I don't think there's buns in the front. I'm not gonna add ones in the back. I don't know why. I just don't think they'll look good. Maybe they will. You know what? They do kind of add something. Okay. I'll dig it. There we go. Yeah, from the side, I like the look. All right. There we go. I can't think of anything I would change. There's some slight deviation that could be better, but all in all, I think that's pretty good. All right, let's go. Oh my gosh. I really do feel like people should take into account when you design a skin, ask yourself, there's your screenshot potential chat. When you design a skin, ask yourself, go, is this going to be easy for Bad Boy Halo to replicate in the future? You need to ask yourself that before doing any skin. Lucy? Oh. At the Lucy. Lucy. One second,
Quack.
chat. right. I'm good. I'm back. Let's go. All right. Chat. I think that's a good place to stop. I'm going to call it for today. Hope you enjoyed the memes. Yep. I think we're calling it 6 months. Hello, Smarty Starburst. Yeah, I think we'll call it. Alright. But we got a few days. Oh, wait. I gotta do the egg quest. 1 second. How could I forget the egg quest, chat? Whee! Alright. I'm gonna have to speedrun them. It's classic good old speedrunning the egg quest. Alright, hello all the kids. How are you doing? Hello. First off, hello Dapper. Hi Palm. Hi Riches. Hi Pepito. Hi Ramon. Hi Leo. Hi Empanada. Hi Sunny. Hi Cheyenne. Hi Tallulah. And hi Gang. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a good day today. I am having a good day. Thank you for asking. Okay, kids, we need to go through and do some stuff really quick. Okay, first task. Play a game with the eggs. All right, here, we're going to play catch. Catch Dapper. All right, now throw it back. Good work. All right, Palm. Throw it back. Thank you. Good work. Riches. Come on. Throw it back, Riches. Gosh darn it. All right, Pepito. Very good. Very good. Ramon. Very good. Leo. Very good. Empanada. Here you go. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Good work. Good work, Sunny. Excellent. Cheyenne, Tallulah. There we go. Gag. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. All right. Riches, come on. There we go. Okay. All right. All right. Game done. All right. Now I gotta feed you all. You want nothing quite like fresh rabbit. 1 second. All right, delicious bunny rabbit. Everybody loves a good bunny rabbit. All right, let's get to... Stop running! Stop running! Stop running! Stop running! Come here! I gotta do the egg quest! Come here! Stop running! Stop running! Stop running! Get back here! Get back here! Come here! Come here. Get over here. Come here. Okay. That should be good. 11. All right. Now we need a furnace. There we go. Some coal. There we go.
Quack.
There we go. Alright. Give me a second, kids. I'm cooking up the bunny rabbit. Okay. Alright, next quest. Play... Oh, catch some bunny rabbits. Catch some bunny rabbits for the eggs. Oh, that worked out perfectly, actually. Come on. Come on. Alright, here you go, kids. I got your bunnies. Fence. We gotta get a little fence going. Alright, there you go. Alright, perfect. Alright, 1 second. Let's collect. Come on. Alright, good. And, here you go. Perfect. Ooh. Alright. Here you go. Riches. Pepito. Ramon. Leo. Empanada. Sunny. Cheyenne. Tallulah. Egg. Dapper. And Palm. There you go. Alright. Perfect. I think we're good. Alright, all eggs are fed. We caught the bunnies. And we did it. We did it. We did it. We flipping did it. Let's go. Alright. Now, I gotta sing a lullaby to end the day out. Oh, I did it. Oh, I get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Rest your head on the bed and go to sleep. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You need to go to sleep right now. Go on and go to sleep right now. Go to sleep right now, or else you will not dream. You will not dream. Alright. Alright, little ones. That's all the quests done for the day. Enjoy your bunnies. Have fun with them, okay? I'll see you guys later. Oh, I bet there's a little top hat that looks kind of like that. So I can find me that. Alright. Alright, everybody. Egg quests are done. We took care of our little eggs. Again, for those of you who are wondering, I'm going to raid. I think Lauren is live. Raid Lilith loves ya. Oh, I'm sending you guys out. If you want, go check out Lauren is live. Where was I? What was I doing? Forgive me. Sorry. I'm a little scatterbrained right now. Doing all those quests that quickly was quite the challenge, chat. Alright. Thank you for hanging out. Remember, chat, if you guys are interested, food for thought, just keep in mind, always have captions on. If you want, take a stab at the find the buttons on survival. Again, just connect to Munchie, the survival server, warp totem, and then find the button. It's that simple. Oh my flipping gosh, Cucaracho! Ah, 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 Cucaracho! What the fudge, Cucaracho? Ah, ah, ah. Find the button. Find the button. Anyway, we got some new maps set up. Try them if you haven't. They're fun. Once Logic gets this one ready, you guys can do it. And then I'll do it after you all have had a chance to.